Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about physics. The topic that is about we need to find the total resistance. So now I want to show you how to answer about this one. If we look carefully, this is about delta. Now we need to transform delta into about while, or maybe that is about the star in here. So the star that should be like this. So we need to put about the resistance in here, and here. So I will put this one that is about 8B and C. So we need to find the resistance A, B, C. About 8, we can see that resistance A between number 3 and number 2. So we have 3 multiplied by 2 over 3 plus 2 plus 1. That is about this one, and this one. And we need to find RB. So B between number 3 and number 1. So we have 3 multiplied by number 1 over 3 plus 2 plus 1. And RC. That is between number 2 and number 1. So number 2 multiplied by number 1 over 3 plus 2 plus 1. So this one we have number 1 ohm. This one we have 1 over 2 ohm. This one we have 1 over 3 ohm. So that means we put the value code here, and now we need to transform this system into like this. So as you can see that we can see number 3, number 2 and C, they are in the series, and this one is parallel of R8. So we can find about the total resistance of this one in here. So the first thing, we just sum 3 resistors in here. So that is about 3 plus 2 plus 1 over 3. So we have 16 over 3 ohm. And this one is parallel. This one and this one is parallel in here. So we need to put about 1 over RD equals to 1 over R8 plus 1 over 16 over 3, we just calculate in here. So this one we have 19 over 16, and we can find resistance of D. That is about 16 over 19. And now we need to transform this one again. And that should be like this. Now we can see that all of them, they are in the series. So we have the final answer. This is about R total. equals to number 4 plus RD. We have 16 over 19 plus 1 over 2. And we have the final answer. That is about 203 over 38. This is the end. Thank you for watching.